Hi there, my name's Mike, and I'm one of the co-founders here at Riddle. And in this video, I'm going to give you a short walkthrough through the quiz automation possibilities with Riddle's Quizmaker. Now, with Riddle, it's possible and easy to make content automatically using AI, APIs, and a number of other techniques. And the idea is that you can make interactive content a central part of your content and engagement strategy because, as the data shows, quizzes are great for engagement, retention, monetization, data collection. They turn passive users into active readers, and now you can do it automatically. Okay, so first off, the easiest and most straightforward way is to use our builder. And if you go into any one of our content types, you'll see we have an AI option. In this case, I'm going to create a quiz using AI. You can just type in a topic, but what we recommend instead is using a URL. Now, in this case, I am using the URL of an article that one of our publishing partners, Immediate Media, did with their Radio Times brand. And what you do is you click go, you set the parameters. In this case, I'm going to go for 10 questions. Change language, change difficulty, and just click go. Yeah, and there you have it. So the advantage of this idea is that it's not designed to replace editors. It's designed just to make it easier for them to have the time and bandwidth so that they can basically get a head start with creating. In this case, you'll see we have 10 questions. These are single choice questions, but you can also then supplement it with our wide variety of question formats. I think we're up to 35 formats right now. But you have all your questions, and of course you can edit and delete and add images and videos. So that's the light touch option. A little more involved, but still on the automated side, has to do with our question bank. Now, our question bank is designed that you can automatically display a completely new set of questions at every hour, day, week, whatever time interval you set. And the idea is you either upload a spreadsheet, so no coding required, or you use AI to say, okay, I need to create a data set of questions. You then pick the parameters. And in this case, say, okay, in this quiz, I want to have 5 questions from art, 4 questions from sports, and so on. The idea, again, once these quizzes are live using our question bank format on your site, they don't need any additional editorial involvement, rather. So again, this is just from lighter touch to question banks. The next option has to do with using our Builder API to automate the whole creation flow. And the idea here is your editors can create an article, a URL. Once they're done with that part, you then send it using our API Builder. Our AI tool automatically creates a related piece of content. It could be a poll, it could be a quiz. It doesn't really matter. You set the parameters. You decide how long it is, the questions, the look and feel, everything. And then it automatically creates it using our API Builder. So in this case, we have a Builder API that is incredibly flexible. So then you basically say, editors create articles, content is created using AI API Builder, and then is automatically displayed in your CMS using our API. So this is really powerful, super flexible. If you have any questions on any of these, you can use our support chat. We're not bots. Everyone from our founders to product teams to our devs, we all jump to help out. And we actually have a contest to see who answers the most questions every month, and that gets a certain amount of beers at the end of every month. So you'll get a quick answer, and that generally means within about 2 or 3 minutes during normal European business hours. Okay, so that's step 3. Step 4 is actually just one step further. And what you can do is you basically say, editors create content, it's sent into Riddle, the AI and the API Builder create it, and then what you can do is you can also integrate your own login system. So in this case, this is just a demonstration website that we put together to demonstrate some of our use cases, but this is a bonus quiz for logged in users. And so what you can do, if you want to turn your organic SEO traffic into known logged in users, you can integrate your login system into Riddle, again, automatically, and it can decide if they have the ability to check it out. So this is another step in this whole funnel. So what you can do is say, well, I'm going to take this quiz. It's going to check, am I logged in? I am logged in, so that's great. I'm going to log out. And in this case, I'm logged out. I'm going to click this again. And it's going to say, oh, logic check. They're not logged in. Please log in. In this case, you would integrate your own login window. I'll take a quick peek into the branching logic options here because that's where we set this up. In this case, we're using our data layer to send data in from your logged in system saying, hey, are they logged in, yes or no? If, and we've seen here, we're doing a data layer check. If the logic is 1, then say, yes, you're logged in, move forward. If it shows 0, then not. So it's a logic check to see if they're logged in. So again, you basically have a login check. Your editors can create content automatically. You can then collect data using Riddle, and then you send it out using our API, which takes us back to the API page. We also can send over all statistics, all data from every user into your system. So wrapping things up, light touch, you have just create a quiz, poll, other content using an article, URL, or things like that. Step 2, use a question bank, have an ever-present and automatically updated spreadsheet showing new sets of questions every hour, so on, things like that. Step 3 is an automated workflow. Your editors create content. They then actually go in, it's created automatically. It's then embedded automatically in your website using our Builder API. So those are the options. And then step 4 is kind of automating everything from creation, but also making sure that people are logged in so your data is collected and then automatically sending that data out using our very flexible API. This is a very short overview of the quiz automation possibilities with Riddle. We highly encourage you, if this sounds like something that your site, your brand, your teams would need, just to ask us on support chat. As I mentioned before, we're really fast to respond, but this would get you the in-depth answers you need. And we're also always available, or when we're awake, to jump on a quick call and just say, let's walk through your use case. Okay, so that's quiz automation, that's Riddle. Any questions, of course, let us know. And other than that, happy riddling.